Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 3LT Z51 in Arctic White on natural interior. So we'll start over the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the back. So this one has the transparent or glass roof, which has a black tone on the outside and a clear or blue tinge from the inside, which is see-through. Very, very nice top. This one has the upgraded edge red engine cover. We've got the carbon fiber dress-up kit on each side. The motor here is a V8 6.2 liter, 495 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, we've got the wire going to the strut tower, so this one does have the adjustable mag ride suspension. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the rear lid here, let you have a look from the back. So on the lid, we've got the carbon flash badge package. We've got carbon flash going around the rear window, and we've got the reverse camera for the rear view mirror built just above the glass there. We've got the nice Z51 spoiler. We've got side winglets that have been added to it, as you can see on each side. And then the nice carbon flash Corvette logo here in the center with a reverse camera just above the license plate. We've got the performance exhaust, so there's dual port here and dual port here on this side. There's also reverse parking sensors here built into the rear bumper. So as you can see, the little dots there, so it will let you know when you're getting close to an item behind you. Very neat. So we'll move around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. It's got the nice machined aluminum face there with the nice gunmetal color here on the inside. Looks great. We've got the black Z51 calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on there. Along the side here, we've got the exposed carbon fiber authentic GM skirts. So those look great. And on the passenger door panel, we've got the Bose Performance Series 2 stereo. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and we've got memory for 2 users. There's also leather with alcantara mixed. Looks great. And I'll show you the kick plate here on the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And for our power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. This one has the upgraded WeatherTech mats installed in the vehicle now, and we also have the original natural carpet mats in the front trunk. So I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice alcantara inserts, and we've got the GT2 seats with the carbon fiber inlay and the embossed Corvette logo there in the headrest. Natural seat belts to match. And let's hop in. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. I'll have a look here in the glove box. So we've got the books, those are there. It's got alcantara on the lower portion of the glove box, leather on the upper portion. And we've got nice black accenting that goes nicely. With the 3LT, you also get the alcantara up the A-pillar and over the top here. Looks great. So let's hop out. We'll close this side up. We've got the carbon flash mirror stand and then the upgraded GM exposed carbon fiber mirror covers. So we'll just step to the back of the vehicle and I'll move along this side so you can see the condition. It's in great shape, as you can see. And here we are at our front wheel. So again, nice machine faced wheels with the gray inserts. We've got painted rotors, black painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. Along the front here, we've got the exposed carbon fiber authentic GM front lip spoiler. It's in great shape, as you can see. And at the front, you've got your curb view camera. So there's one there and there's one over here. So it'll let you know when you're getting close to a curb. You can see that on the screen so you don't damage the front lip spoiler. We've got the nice black housing, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED turn signals. This one also has 3M installed, so I can see on the bumper on the half the fender here, so it goes up and stops right here. And in the front trunk area, there's the natural mats that we spoke of. We've got the front plate cover. If you choose not to have a front plate, there's the cover for you. And we've got the netting to secure your items in place. We've got a 12-volt charge port. And in the front here, we have our washer fluid top up. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. And as you can see, there is 3M across the front. It goes fairly high here on the hood. So there's the seam about about 8 inches down from the windscreen. So that's great, it's well protected. So in terms of issues, I'll just have a close look here, see if there's anything to point out. There's one little tiny mark here, size of a pinhead, in the 3M, but no stone chips that I can see, so that's great. So we'll continue on. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice machine-faced wheels with the gray inserts. We get the black Z51 calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires. And we got the same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got that nice Bose Performance Series stereo. We've got power mirrors at the top here. We've got power folding mirrors, power windows. Down below, we've got our power locks, electronic door release, and then we've got the 2 front and rear trunk releases with a nice pocket there for storage. And you got memory here as well for your steering wheel, your seat, and your mirrors for the driver for 2 users. And there's also a programmable exit button as well. So here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in great shape. A couple little minor scuffs, but nothing major. And for the power seat, we've got power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 6,417, so nice and low. Right now it's in normal mode or touring mode. So we also have the Z button on this, so we can press Z. It opens the exhaust ports and changes some of the tuning for the car. Changes the dash to let you know that it's in Z mode. Beside that, we've got our cruise control buttons. We've got favorites or track change for the radio. We've got volume controls on this side, and then we've got our arrow keys which work the dash, so that gives us trip, performance, audio, maintenance, options, and simplify. Here we've got telephone hang up, telephone answer, or voice command, and then we've got heated steering wheel here as well. Above that, you got paddle shifters plus and minus. We have the nice Alcantara wrapped steering wheel with the nice natural baseball stitching and the natural center point on the steering wheel. Nice natural stitch on the actual leather portion as well. Looks great. And over on this side, you got your heads-up display control. So I'll just show you that here on the windscreen. So there it is, and you can cycle through the different information you'd like to display. So very neat feature. And then down here we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column as well. And down below you've got your dash dimmer and then your emergency parking brake. Over on this side here we've got our push button start. Then we've got our radio. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary in. We've got telephone controls, and we've got navigation. So here's your full factory nav. If we hit home again, you got Wi-Fi hotspot, you got wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over on this side, we've got PDR. So here's your performance data recorder. So there's actually a camera just up in this box here on the windscreen, so you can record your track times and things like that to an SD card. So you just need an SD card to do that. You've got cameras, so there's your front cameras paired together. There's the different view, and here's your reverse camera. Here's your OnStar up above, and then we've got our rear view mirror and our rear view mirror camera. There is buttons down here to control and change the view or adjust the camera. And then down here in the front, we've got front camera quick button, traction on and off, and then our mode selector. So the mode selector we twist like so, and it changes the different modes of the vehicle. So you got my mode, touring, sport, track, and let's see, and that's it. And then we've got our Z mode as well. So we'll put it back on the Z mode. And then along here, we've got all our climate control settings too. So you can put it on auto, and then you've got a temperature for the driver up here, temperature for the passenger down here. You've got heated and cooled seat controls, all the different settings, and then heated and cooled seat controls up here as well. So that's great. Nice Alcantara finish here, soft touch. We've got our keys, so we've got 2 of them. We've got lock, unlock, trunk, front and rear, and remote start on these keys. Back here, we've got an armrest with a little storage. We've got USB-C, USB, auxiliary in, and the SD card is in here as well, so that's great. There's a wireless charger for your phone, and the Stingray, and I believe that is a speaker. It looks like a speaker grill on there, so that's great. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and listen. Wow, what a machine. And I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. Here it is, nice bright lights. And we'll move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Here it is from the back. And there you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8 Coupe, Z51 3LT in Arctic White on natural interior here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.